In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple but important task, and that is leaving a product review on Amazon. So if you've ever bought something on Amazon and wanted to share your opinion, this video will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. Open up the Amazon app on your phone. Then what you want to do is tap on the account section, which is the little icon at the bottom that is a silhouette of a person, and then tap on orders. So in here, what you want to do is, depending on what you're wanting to review, tap on one of the orders, and you can see under the section where it says how's your item, you can write a product review. So if I tap on this, you can also create a video review if you want. If I tap on this, I can basically rate my item between 1 and 5 stars, obviously 5 out of 5 stars being the best. And then you write a review in this section, and it gives you a few different ideas of what you could share within the review. You can also upload a video or a photo for this. So if I tap on this and then tap on photos and videos, then I can obviously upload a photo of the item. And then the last thing, or second last thing should I say, is give your review a title and then tap on the submit button, and that's basically it.